Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on your SoundCore Liberty Air 2. So in order to do this, first let's put both of the earbuds inside the case. Now close the lid. Now we can open the lid, and then you'll need to hold this button for about 10 seconds. This one right here, till the LED lamps on each of the earbuds starts flashing 3 times in red. So let's try that. So I'm pressing right now. So the hard reset just happened as the LED lamp flashed 3 times. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.